Alright everybody, welcome back to Farmboy's Garage, and appreciate all y'all's comments on the last video about the damaged compressor. So today I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to get this compressor out of this corner where I can work on it. I want to get the compressor pump off, and let's see what's going on with it. It may just be some simple fix, or it may be something else. If I can't really easily fix it, I'm probably going to just go ahead and replace it with a different compressor pump, more than likely a 2-stage. So I'm going to go ahead and move this thing out. It's going to be fun. It weighs quite a bit, plus there's a lot of junk over here in the floor that's got to be moved. So I'll bring you back when I get it out. Alright, so I went ahead and pulled the outside cover off the shroud, took out about 6 or 7 bolts. You can access all these bolts from this area, and now we'll just pull all this. It should come straight up like that. Now we can see this does use a V-belt, so I'm happy to see that, not a flat belt. This thing's dirty. Now we got to figure out, we got to loosen this belt up, and I believe to do that we've got to loosen the motor up to be able to slide it forward toward the pump. And so I'm not going to be able to get to it from here. I'm going to have to pull it on out a little further to get to the motor. Alright, so on the motor you can see it's got these long slots on this side, but on this side basically we're just in the slot. The slot only extends here, but it ends here, so we've got to take these bolts out first, loosen these up, and we can slide this motor forward. Alright, so I got the motor loosened up and the belt off, went ahead and took the copper line off that goes from the compressor to the tank, and now we're ready to remove the compressor pump itself. But I think I may go ahead and remove this flywheel first, just to make it easier to handle on the bench. Alright, so I got my puller up here. One thing to note is the bolt that holds the flywheel on is left-handed thread. So if you're trying to take it off counterclockwise, it's just tightening it. So you got to take it off clockwise. These bolts are 5/16, and I'm just using a steering wheel puller to try to pull this off because I can't find my big puller, but hopefully this works. The impact just ain't got enough oomph in it, so I'm going to have to swap over to the pull handle. Really neat air tools. Well, it was easy enough, wasn't it? Alright, let's get this compressor unbolted and over here on the bench. We'll look at it. Alright, sorry for the wind noise, everybody. I got my fan running. It's 90+ degrees today, and it'd just be unbearable in here if I didn't. I went ahead and removed the air cleaner, and I think next thing I'm going to do is remove this little bracket. I may not even have to remove this little bracket, but it might help me out later, so I'm going to go ahead and knock that out. Right, so now we've got 6 bolts in the top of this head. They don't have any nuts on them, so I think we can just run them out so we'll find the right socket. I don't know if there is any particular method you should take this off. This is aluminum. This is cast iron. I think this might be aluminum here. I'm gonna take them out outside. The rest of them come off easy, just one. Alright, so if you've never seen the inside of a air compressor. I've never seen the inside of one. I'm assuming it's similar to an engine. You see it's divided here. We definitely got a blowed head gasket. See it blew right here. So that's probably what's caused our issues. Is that one little blowed head gasket. Now where did the rest of that gasket go? I do not know. Here's the valves, and these just open and close. See, they are a little dirty. Let's go ahead and see if we can get this head gasket off. I'm hoping I can just order a new head gasket, but really hadn't had a whole lot of luck getting parts through Ingersoll Rand. So we can see this part here came off a little bit rough. This part came off clean. So the air apparently comes out, and then it goes however it goes. Maybe it sucks in, comes out here, I don't know. I don't know if y'all can tell really. But anyway, we'll go ahead and get this plate here off, take a look at the bottom side. And action. I'm thinking probably just maybe tap this thing a little bit. Let's see with my hammer. So here's the underside, and this gasket looks alright. It's just intact. The cylinders are dusty. Definitely dusty. The cylinder wall, from what I can see, looks good. I don't think I'll be able to turn it. There it goes. Let's go down with this one. Yeah, the cylinder walls look really good. You can still see the cross hatches. They're really much like a piston in an automobile. You know, you can see all these little cross hatch marks here. Same way with this one. No ridge. So it just needs cleaning for sure. I'm not going to pull the rest of this pump apart. I am going to flush the oil if I decide to rebuild it though, of course, and clean it up good. Probably use a little brake cleaner on it. So I guess now the trick is going to be to find this here gasket, and I'm going to have to take some measurements because there's so many different models of these. I can find the SS3 and the SS5 head gasket, but this is the SS4. SS4. It's kind of in between the 3 and the 5s in size. So I was looking online last night, and I seen the 3s and the 5s, but not the 4s. So I don't know. I know there's a difference in head size between the 4s and the 5s. I'm not sure about the 3s and the 4s, but anyway, we'll see what we can find. Get it ordered if I can order it. And I don't think these things are that expensive. If I can find one, I think it's around $60. So yeah, if we can order it, we'll order it. And I'm probably gonna have to go ahead and try to order this one too, since I kind of damaged it when I took his top off. But that'll be alright too. We'll see what we can find. Anyway, everybody, thanks for watching. Please rate, comment, subscribe, and stay tuned for more.